Math placement is only required of students who plan on pursuing academic programs where calculus work is required. This could include majors like biology, chemistry, business, or computer science, and pre-professional programs like pre-med and pre-pharmacy. You can check your student portal to see if your declared major requires math placement, or reach out to our academic advising team if you're changing your major and aren't sure if math placement will be relevant to you. The first and most immediate way to get your math placement is by taking ALEKS, Loyola's math placement test. You can find detailed instructions on how to take this test by visiting the link in this video's description. After you take ALEKS, your placement will update automatically within just a few hours in Locus. You can take and retake ALEKS as many as 5 times at no cost to you. You can also submit standardized AP, ACT, or SAT scores to get your math placement. However, if you have not already done this and your registration period has opened, Loyola may not receive your scores before this period closes. So in this case, you should take ALEKS for an immediate placement. If it turns out your score gives you a higher placement, you can visit the schedule change website later once your scores have been received to make any updates. You can also ask for your final high school transcript to be reviewed by Loyola's math placement coordinator. You may do so by completing the form that is linked in this video's description. It is important to note that only final high school transcripts will be reviewed for placement. So if your final transcript is not ready or you haven't submitted it to Loyola yet, you should take ALEKS for your math placement if you're registering now or soon. Your case will not be reviewed unless your final high school transcript is on file. Once your transcript is reviewed, if it yields a higher placement after you've registered, you can visit the schedule change website to request an update. Many students tell us that they are reluctant to take ALEKS when they have test scores or their final high school math grades place them into a math level they're happy with. But if Loyola has not received this information by the time your registration opens, then you will not be able to sign up for any math course or certain other classes that pertain to your major. And your class options may be reduced by the time everything has been submitted. This is why we always encourage you to take ALEKS now if your scores or final transcripts are still pending. And remember, Loyola will always recognize your highest placement, so there is no risk to you by taking ALEKS and earning a score that may place you in a math course that is lower than your test scores or high school transcript will yield.